Hello and welcome. Let me ask you something. Have you ever watched an online course or training video and thought, wow, that was so clear and easy to understand? Or maybe the opposite, where the course was confusing and boring? If yes, then you've already seen the difference a good instructional designer can make. Today, we are going to talk about instructional design, what it is, who can become an instructional designer, and why it might just be the perfect career for you. And don't worry, I'll explain everything in simple, everyday English. Let's get started. So, first of all, what is instructional design? Instructional design is the art and science of creating learning experiences, like courses, training materials, or even fun educational games. These learning experiences can be for schools, colleges, companies, or online platforms. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that what teachers do? Yes, partly. But instructional designers usually work behind the scenes. They design the structure of the course, decide what learners need to know, and figure out the best way to help them learn it. Let's take a simple example. Imagine a company wants to teach its new employees how to use a software. If they just give them a 100-page manual, most people will feel bored or confused. But an instructional designer will take that manual, break it into small easy parts, maybe add short videos, simple exercises, and quick tests. Now, learning becomes fun and easy. That's the magic of instructional design. Now you may ask, who can become an instructional designer? Great question. The truth is, anyone who loves to help others learn and is good at explaining things clearly can become one. You don't need to be a teacher. You could be from any background, engineering, arts, commerce, or even hotel management. All you need is the curiosity to learn, and a passion for sharing knowledge in smart and creative ways. Now let's understand, what does an instructional designer actually do? Here's a simple step-by-step look. For example, teaching coding to kids is very different from teaching coding to software professionals. So, we need to plan differently. A good instructional designer always starts with clear goals. 3. Plan the content. We collect information from subject experts and organize it in a logical way, like a story that starts from the basics and goes to advanced. 4. Choose the right method. Should this topic be taught using a video? 4. Or a quiz? 4. Or maybe a simple PDF? 4. We decide what method will work best for the learner. 5. Design activities. Learners learn better by doing, not just listening. 5. So, we create small tasks, drag and drop games, matching activities, or simulations. 6. Get feedback and improve. Once we create the course, we show it to a few learners, take feedback, and improve it before launching fully. Now, let's take another example. Imagine you have to teach someone how to make tea. If you are the instructional designer, how would you do it? Maybe you'll 1. Write down the ingredients. 2. Add clear steps. 3. Create a short video showing the process. 4. Add a small quiz. What do you boil first, water or milk? This simple example shows how instructional design is not just about information, it's about turning information into learning. Now let's quickly look at a few skills that help in this career. 1. Clear communication. You need to explain things in simple language. 2. Creativity. You get to design interactive and fun learning experiences. 3. Empathy. You must always think from the learner's side. 4. Research. You may not know everything, but you should be good at learning about any topic. 5. Technology friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert, but basic comfort with tools like PowerPoint, Canva, or Storyline is helpful. And the best part? You don't need to sit in one place all the time. Instructional designers work in different industries like education, IT companies, NGOs, healthcare, government projects, and even freelancing for clients across the world. You might be wondering, how do I start learning instructional design? Well, you can begin by doing free online courses, watching YouTube videos, reading blogs, or joining learning design communities. Even this video is a good starting point. Now here's something fun for you. Try this task. Think of one topic you know really well. It can be anything: cooking, Excel, photography, or cricket rules. Now imagine you have to teach it to someone who knows nothing about it. Ask yourself: 1. What would I teach first? 2. What examples would I give? 3. Would I use a video, a step-by-step guide, or a quiz? This is your first practice as an instructional designer. Write it down or share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to see your ideas. Okay, now before we end, here's something exciting. In the next video, we will talk about instructional design models. Don't worry, we'll keep it super simple. These models are like ready-made recipes that help you build better learning experiences step by step. So if this topic made you curious, and you want to learn the secret formulas that professional instructional designers use every day, don't miss the next video. That's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, maybe share it with someone who's looking for a creative career, and subscribe to stay connected. Thanks for watching, and remember, the world needs better learning. Maybe it needs your ideas too. See you soon.